Thank you for joining the True Program Updates training series. In this module, we will introduce the Portfolio Program, which allows multiple similar sites to certify together in a streamlined way. True's Portfolio Program is a streamlined approach dedicated to helping companies and organizations be recognized for their scaled zero waste approach across a portfolio of sites. It provides an alternative, streamlined documentation, submittal, and verification process by focusing on the similarities between multiple projects to recognize their zero waste accomplishments. This allows participants to benefit from economies of scale while achieving recognition more quickly. A portfolio is a collection of individual and/or group projects owned or managed by a single organization. The portfolio program is available for multiple buildings in different sites or for campuses, certifying their sites incrementally, building by building. Projects in the portfolio can be different sizes and located in different regions across the world or on one property, such as a campus. The key point to any portfolio is that the buildings within it share a majority of similar processes, procedures, and practices. This allows the project team to create a suite of credits that is applicable across all sites included in the portfolio, which drives the efficiency gains of the program. To ensure success with the portfolio of offering, a project team will want to have the following: a minimum of 5 projects owned or managed by the same organization, a designated portfolio manager or small team to manage the process, as well as standardized processes and policies that all sites operate under. If needed, having multiple portfolios is an option as well. If the organization has multiple types of projects that have large differences in operations, waste, ownership, or strategies, it is advised to enroll them as separate portfolios. For example, a large retailer could put together a portfolio of distribution centers, a portfolio of retail stores, and a portfolio of offices. Ensuring that like facilities are grouped together is a key way to leverage the similarities that drive the streamlined nature of the portfolio process. If assistance is needed in defining the portfolio and the projects within it, contact us to be put in touch with a true team member. Once the project team has decided on the portfolio scope, the process is as follows. First, the project team will enroll the portfolio, submitting a portfolio application with accompanying documentation. This application will establish a suite of credits to pull from in future portfolio projects. So the credits applied for in the portfolio application should be as representative of the group of sites as possible. The portfolio application should aim to apply for at least 31 credits to form this suite for later use. As a note, the portfolio itself does not get certified, but it sets up individual portfolio projects to be certified in the next step of the process. Once the portfolio has undergone a review and been approved, there will be an established suite of credits for projects to use in the future. These credits allow for a streamlined process in submitting projects, which will use the same credits and thus be eligible for a shorter review process. The project team will now be able to register and submit individual projects for certification. The first 3 sites that the project team submits after the portfolio will each go through a review period or audit of all documentation. After these 3 sites are audited and approved, future submissions will move to an audit sampling rate that is based on the total number of sites in the portfolio, as well as whether a site applies for credits that were not initially approved of in the portfolio review. Lastly, the project team will renew the portfolio every 3 years. Individual projects within the portfolio will also need to submit maintenance data annually and recertify every 3 years alongside the portfolio. If you would like more information, we encourage you to download the portfolio guide from the resources page on our website, true.gbci.org. Here, you will also find helpful articles outlining the portfolio process. For even more information, including past webinars that go into more detail, please visit the USGBC Education Hub. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn about our portfolio process today. We appreciate you joining us.